Polygons. A polygon is any closed figure with straight line sides which can be drawn on a flat surface. Look at the examples. This figure is a polygon. If the shape had curves or did not fully connect, then it cannot be called a polygon. This figure has a curve. This figure is not polygon. This figure is not closed. This figure is not polygon. Polygons are named according to the number of sides, and they have. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides. A quadrilateral is a polygon with 4 sides. A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. The building which houses United States Department of Defense is called Pentagon since it has 5 sides. A hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. A heptagon is a polygon with 7 sides. A polygon convex has all interior angles smaller than 180 degrees, otherwise it's called a concave. Convex pentagon. Concave pentagon. Convex quadrilateral. Concave quadrilateral. A regular polygon has all angles equal and all sides equal, otherwise it is irregular. A equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. A square is a regular polygon. This pentagon is not irregular even though its sides are equal in length. Its angles are not equal. This quadrilateral is not irregular even though its angles are equal. Its sides are not equal in length.